Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to wire a receptacle here in the country I was born in. We use a 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps and a 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps. Black is live, white is neutral, bare green is the ground, red and blue are also live colors. And I'll show you a receptacle. You can see the two silver colored screws are on the same side as the green screw with a wider slot. That is your neutral. And over here you have two brass colored screws, and that is for your live wire. So on this brass screw you'll find, most generally you'll find black, red, and blue. And on this silver colored screw you'll find white. And bare or green will be on the green screw. Okay, so we'll hook this outlet up. Okay, first we'll strip our ends. The white is our neutral. We'll take off about 1 inch with our 14 gauge hole. We'll strip our black with our 14 gauge hole, which is our live. And we'll close the screws we're not going to be using. The reason I close these is they're out of the way so they don't touch the side of a box or something you don't want it to touch. So first we will put our bare ground wire on the green screw. We'll put our white wire, you always put your wire around the screw the direction the screw turns. Because if you put it around the screw the opposite direction, when you tighten your screw, it will open up your loop and you won't have that good of a connection. So I use my 2 fingers here to pull this wire back. Make sure it's nice and tight. So we have a nice solid connection. And I'll turn it around. Bring our black wire over here. We'll put it on our brass screw. Again, I'll turn it the direction our screw turns. Make sure it's tight, make sure my wire is hugging the inside under the screw head all the way, the insulation is not coming up to the head, make sure it's not pinched. So when I fold these wires in, I go down and then up with our white and our black, and I go zigzag across the bottom, keep our ground wire down away from everything here, and I'll screw our device into our box. And it's a self-tapping screw, so you just deal with it, turn it harder. A little force is the answer, as long as you don't violate any safety protocols or cause any damage. Feel back here, make sure that screw is not hitting it. Well, I can't, so I'm going to get my flashlight out. And just look. That one's not hitting anything. And I just can't see. Vision can be your worst enemy. And it's not hitting anything, so we are in good shape. Alrighty, so that is how to wire a duplex receptacle here in the country I was born in. Peace. Thanks for watching.